Giant Pandas by Guy Belleranti. Black and white giant pandas are much loved in their native China and around the rest of the world. Sadly, they're also a very endangered animal. Much of their forest habitat has been cleared for farms, roads, railroads, and other development. The 1,500 giant pandas still in the wild are restricted to cool, damp mountain heights containing bamboo and old-growth forests. These forests have the hollow logs and stumps pandas need for dens and shelter. At one time, scientists thought giant pandas' closest relatives might be raccoons. However, DNA tests show pandas are a species of bear. When giant pandas aren't sleeping, they're searching for food and eating. In fact, they spend 12 hours a day eating. What do they eat? The bamboo in the forest, and a lot of it, 25 to 40 pounds, which is 11 to 18 kilograms every day. Giant pandas must eat more than one kind of bamboo because the plants are low in nutrients. They eat other plants and even meat occasionally, but bamboo makes up 99% of their diet. Giant pandas eat by gripping bamboo stems in their front paws and sitting upright, kind of like a person. Each paw grip is aided by an extra long flesh-covered wrist bone that acts like a thumb. Most of the time, giant pandas are loners. However, when they come together, they're the most vocal of all bears. They bleat, bark, huff, and growl during their very short breeding season. Cubs squeal and croak when they're with their mothers. Pandas also communicate by leaving scent markings from glands under their tails. Males find breeding females by scent. Males also sometimes do handstands so they can leave their scent higher up in a tree. Giant panda mothers give birth to one or sometimes two tiny cubs. If two cubs are born, only the stronger cub usually survives. Males do not help with the care. The cubs are mostly hairless and weigh a fourth of a pound, which is 0.11 kilograms. That's 800 times smaller than its 200-pound, 90-kilogram mother. Giant panda cubs don't fully open their eyes until they are 6 to 8 weeks old. They don't begin to crawl until 10 weeks, and they remain with their mothers for 1.5 to 3 years. An important thing to know about pandas is that they are not closely related to the bamboo-eating, raccoon-sized red panda. They are quite a unique species. In fact, each panda's markings are slightly different from all other pandas.